Variety. Variety. You need variety. Now, why am I saying this? I am saying this because I am someone who used to draw just manga art. For a long time, I did not try to make any different type of art. All I did was just try to make the same things again and again. The same faces, the same characters, the same doodles every time, all the time in my notebooks or in my sketchbooks. Now, a big problem with that was I did not see growth. A lot of my stuff just it felt meaningless. So I tried variety. And variety works. Variety works very well because now you aren't just drawing cat girls or anime guys or some webtoon person or some very specific type of thing. If you eat a lot of food, you will get to know about a lot of cuisines. If you keep yourself restricted to eating one dish every day, you will only know that one dish. The same thing happens with drawing. The more variety you have, maybe someday you are practicing something realistic like anatomy or capturing the values of a painting or anything, or someday another style. Like, don't stick to one thing. I know some people dive out to have to build an art style of their own. That is a good thing, but sometimes what happens is they get trapped in this cycle of trying to find an art style by copying others' art style, and they would just pick one artist and they would just draw in their art style forever. It's not a bad thing, but it really hinders your growth in art. So yeah, practice variety. Manga, anime. So yeah, practice variety. A lot of different stuff. Try drawing with a ball pen. Try some watercolors. Try some acrylic markers. Try digital art if you have never. Try painting with acrylic paint. Try oil painting. Try just have variety.